Delayed charges in QuickBooks let us add charges to a customer's account and invoice them at a later time. In this example, let's suppose that we visit our customer's location multiple times throughout the month to do snow removal. We can add a delayed charge for each visit and then invoice the customer at the end of the month. To get started, click the New menu, and under Customers, click Delayed Charge. This form looks similar to an invoice. First, enter the name of the customer. Then enter the date of the delayed charge, or the service date in this case. Then enter the product or service. And that completes the delayed charge. When we click Save and New, QuickBooks adds this to the customer record to be invoiced at a later time. It does not create an accounting transaction in QuickBooks until we create the invoice. Click Save and New. Now let's suppose we visited the customer's site again. We'll enter our service once again. And then we'll click Save and New, and we'll do one more. And once again, we'll enter our service again. And let's suppose this service was a little bit more expensive because we did a little bit more work, so we'll change the rate. And that completes the month worth of delayed charges. Now we'll click Save and Close. To review what's on the customer's account, go to the Sales on the left-hand navigation and then click Customers. We can see up here under Unbilled Activity that there are several charges on our customer list. As we scroll down, there we see 3 unbilled activities for this customer. To now invoice this customer, at the end of the line, click Start Invoice. And QuickBooks transfers all of those delayed charges directly onto the invoice. So now we don't have to do any work except for change the date to make sure it reflects what we want it to reflect. Now we have a complete invoice for all of the charges throughout the month, plus sales tax, and we're ready to issue this invoice to the customer. Click Save and Close, and QuickBooks creates the invoice to be paid at a later time.